you just get on the outside?
You just... Okay, well, hello guys. My other recording, I was recording in crashed. And I didn't save the recording. So, it's gonna go again. So first of all, so I am going to teach you the easiest way to get the Jade key. Okay, first of all.
Everybody wants to do this. Yeah.
Yeah, of course. First of all, you'll need this. You'll need this. You'll need this. You'll need this. And so, if you, I'll put the link right down below.
It's super hard to do.
It's not that hard to do, but I already have the Jade key. Just saying, it might not work for me, but it will totally work for you guys. Link down below. Just saying again. Oh yeah, well it's down below. Press that. Smash that like button, and then smash that, and then smash that subscribe, that juicy red subscribe button.
I cannot find this last one.
What keeps happening? First I have to go here.
I feel like if I walk on this road,
okay. You see this? You see the white spots. In this thing, you have to turn them all black. Not racist. Turn them all black. The white spots turn black. Now when it's done, you get that. Now all you have to do is go from bottom to top.
I want to shoot red. Where are you? There you are. Knew you were behind me. 40 zombies. Oh my god.
Yeah.
Die.
I might not be able to do it first try, but then still might be able to do it.
Every zombie just keeps spawning.
Wait, no. You saw, as I copied that whole thing, yeah, you have to go from, you see the number ones? You have to copy that. Right, wait. See this? Go from bottom to top. Okay? You got that? Bottom to top. And then you'll get this. And then you have to go to the suburbia map, which I'll try to do. Might be hard. It's gonna take me a while.
Yeah.
Well, you know what? Just go to the suburbia map. You know what? Go to the suburbia map. Okay,
why are these zombies spawning?
Wait, you know what?
No!
Oh god, what?
I died.
Which round were you on?
6.
Damn. Sorry I made that go mad. Okay, so I can turn this back into full screen.
Hashtag this event sucks. Okay, forget camping.
Whee! So then you have to go to the suburbia map, right? Then you have to find the cyan, light blue house right next to this, like, place, like a garden place. What just happened? Did I lose connection? I'm 100% sure I lost connection. Oh, no, I didn't.
You're at the suburbia?
No, and then no, I'm not. And then right next to there, you'll have to go there. Then you have to go to the top floor. Then you have to go like to this door that has a keyhole. Then you have this knife. Just stab the door. I got bamboo right now. Just stab it. Just stab it.
Zombies.
Duh. And then you'll go to the zombie game. It's not called a zombie game. It's called dot. Okay. Then you have to.
Loading. No, you're
Then.
not touching it.
Wait, what
I don't
was I
wanna
gonna
touch
say
it.
again?
No.
Then you have to kill all the zombies. The highest round is round 7. Okay, then when you complete that, guess what you get?
No. Oh no.
I mean, this is nothing, guys. The Jade. Wait, where's my avatar? There. The Jade crown. Oh yeah, guys, stay tuned. I will do a crystal key. I will do a crystal key, and then I will show you how to get the crystal key, and then I will do a live stream how to get the Dominus. Well, we'll try to find the Dominus. No one has found it yet. No hints have come out yet. Just go. No hints have come out yet. We already played one event. Some people, I just really want that. Here it comes.
I only have 2 left.
Yeah.
Die.
No clues have come out yet.
Just a half.
For the last one. For the boss, the star.
I think it's in road trip.
For the star.
That's my guess. It's in road trip.
Okay. Oh. Well.
Oh my goodness.
Did you change the description? Yeah, they made the crystal key really easy. But guys, stay tuned for tomorrow. Let's just say, you know what? I'm not gonna do the crystal key. You probably guys know. Let's just say at Saturday at Sunday I shall do the live stream to find the Dominus. Stay tuned. So yeah, have an awesome day. And of course, press that like button and press that subscribe button.
What's it with the red?
Yeah, that red juicy button, of course. That's from Roblox. And peace.